My name's Harry. I'm from a company called STO, or Germans call it STO, which is started by stockmaster's family. They basically started a lime factory back in the 1800s and got into plaster in the early 1900s. 1936 they started manufacturing dry powder. In 1955 they did one of the first plaster buildings in Germany. 1960s the first polystyrene over concrete. And also
first passive house too.
Sorry?
First passive house.
First passive house was in 1987.
Yeah.
That's where the passive house movement came from in Germany. So they've got a very big, long history, and they understand. Plus, they've developed the synthetic plaster to move away from sanded cement, which is obviously very old school and has survived for years. We now have gone from putting on 25mm thick to about 5 or 6mm thick, and wonder why it cracks up. So this is why we're moving to synthetic renders. But I moved here from Wellington 2 years ago. The first thing I noticed here that what I call is a race to the bottom. Everyone's trying to build cheap, and we need to move away from that and start building good, better, or best. And that's where I see us in the market. Our system is better or best. We don't have a very bottom line system. It's all about, to get sustainability, I look at it a different way than a lot of other people, is where I believe cut your maintenance down, makes your place more sustainable. The goal of STO, for example, in 2040, they aim to be carbon neutral. But that's in Germany. Obviously we still have to ship it over here, but becoming carbon neutral is how it's manufactured, how it's used on the wall, and how it performs in its lifetime, should I say. So that's something that Envy will be bringing out next year, I believe, is life cycle assessment, which will also be part of this becoming carbon neutral. And that's where STO sits at the moment. We're very strong on life cycle assessment and making sure your buildings last. We've got all these different claddings. I'm not going to bore you on the different types. So if you want a particular finish on your building, you want something that's low maintenance, and you want something that always looks good, handles the UV rays, and keeps money in your pocket, then you look at the STO system. Okay?
Thanks, Harry.